And after nearly 2 months of working in a dark bus, we finally had light. Then I constructed my pantry. That way we could finish up the drywall in the kitchen. Right now Colby's finishing up the laundry room and the end of the hallway where we can get started on the stairs and then the master bedroom. Meanwhile, I'm finally closing off the driver's cab until we put a door there. When I was designing the interior of this bus, I actually incorporated a 9-foot attic space above the bathroom. This will give me plenty of storage when I'm living in the bus, but more importantly, it's a great place to put the dehumidifier.
So the dehumidifier is sitting right there. Look at that. Yes.
When you're living in a bus, or any tiny home really, one of the problems you're going to run into is humidity. And to put it simply, humidity is how much water is floating around in the air.